another video. In today's video we are doing top spins of one of my cars. Let's go. First we got this Mosla. I have no idea what this car is. Oh my god, the acceleration. Gosh, I mean. Wow, the acceleration.
That is so small.
It's bigger than you.
Hey, it's
It got even, well, it can barely even fit on one side of the road. Look.
on one side of the road.
Don't do it, okay.
Oh, big, oh,
Oh,
yeah.
wow, we're soaring through the air.
Soaring through the air.
Shut up, Max. So stupid. I keep singing, it's really annoying.
Why did you sing that?
No, just because, like when I say flying through the air, it reminds me of that flying through the air song with the snowman. It's really annoying. I don't want to sing in front of YouTube because that's embarrassing. It's like millions, 200 million people could be watching me. Could watch me one day, and I'll be singing in the video. It's just embarrassing.
Yeah, and that would be weird. Could you never do that in a video?
No, I don't. 216 miles per hour. 216 miles per hour.
nearly
That
fell
is fast. Guys, if you're saying that's slow, it's probably faster than your car. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Go to the car that I really like.
37 horsepower on this car. Wow.
Horse?
Horsepower, yeah.
Horsepower. Like a horsey?
I still haven't got the 100 million credit.
What about the horsey? There's a horsey in it. Is it a horse?
Why is it so slow?
Not slower than that.
Okay, you don't need to say that every time I say something slow. Oh, this is old. Oh, this is old. Oh, this is old.
Like an old grandma.
No.
Not like that. A car is one.
I'm gonna. Oh.
This car is not that. A car
Well, I
is
think this car is from the olden days.
yeah, probably.
Oh. 76 miles per hour. That's the top speed. When was this car even? 1953. That
Ford!
is old.
Oh, I saw it.
I know, I'm gonna do all the cars, Daisy.
Even that gold
Oh
one.
god. What's the horsepower? 82 horsepower. Okay, at least this is better than the other car. Okay, we're on the left side. Oh my gosh, this is a three-wheeler.
Oh,
I'm actually going faster than a truck in this thing. Don't you do it. Oh no, that's not good, that car cut me off. You don't need to cut me. Oh, shut up, Max.
don't say that.
Well, I need to. Oh my god. I can't even get on the right side of the road now. No, the car's coming.
Why am I not sitting down?
I don't know, because you don't have to.
So I would.
Right, let's do this again and get going.
I'm doing it because I want to. Not because I don't want to.
That truck was so annoying. I knew it was going to cut me off. You don't need to cut me. Shut up, Max. You don't need Nice car. Rubbish car. No. Hey, I got that car. 107 miles per hour. 107. When did this car come out? 2014. Finally, we're on a good car. Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi. Booty.
Alexa, how many Pokemon cards are there?
Good morning, Max. Currently there are around 15,000 unique Pokemon cards from main set releases, not counting promotions, Japanese language cards or special expansions. However, it is estimated that 52.9 billion individual cards have been printed globally.
52.9 billion cards. That is crazy. That's how many Pokemon cards there are in the world. No, go round. Oh, I didn't need to. Oh no, bridge.
Go off of it.
No, I'm trying to do this, Daisy. I'm trying to do the video.
After can you do it? After this video.
I'm going to do another video, and then when I finish the videos for today, then I will, okay? I really want to make merch.
Make your own lunch.
Merch, not lunch.
I thought you said lunch.
No.
Merch. I thought you said lunch, not merch.
Merchandise.
I thought you said lunch.
No.
You said
Yeah, no. 142 miles per hour. Bruh, what just happened? When did this car come out, eh? 1995. Okay, that's old-ish.
I saw a car that I really...
Yes, Daisy will do that soon.
What is that kind of car?
It's a really slow car. I don't know what the horsepower is. Let's just check the horsepower. It's a mini, but what's the horsepower? 75, and it came out in 1965. Only has 4 gears, man. It's a petrol car now. Finally, it's on the right side for once. No. 93 miles per hour. I can't wait to get to the fast cars. Finally, want some good cars. Let's go. Mercedes G-Wagon.
What is a Mercedes
That's
G-Wagon?
big beast.
It's not a beast.
It is. You say that's not a beast? Look at it. I'm going to quickly turn around because this car need a big acceleration. And that's the end of the motorway down. Just listen to the engine. Here, I'll rev all of my cars in a different video, but not this video. I'm excited to rev all of my cars to see what they sound like. That sounds nice. I'll probably rev them outside the car and inside the car, because I think it would just sound better inside the car than outside the car. We should go faster than all the other cars. Oh my gosh.
Mercedes D-Wagon.
G-Wagon.
I thought it's
No, I don't like this. Look at the floor. It looks like we're going insanely fast. Come on, beat that Lamborghini. Beat that Lamborghini. Beat that Lamborghini. No chance. No chance. No chance. Nope.
No.
135 I saw. I think it might have been 136.
No.
I have no idea. I think it might be 136. 136. Man, come on. I'm good speed. Oh, I'm McLaren Senna in the next video. So stay tuned.
Will you think?
Okay, no, I don't like this.
What is it? I want to see what it is.
Looks like a
What
spy
is
car.
it?
Looks like a spy car.
I like the inside.
I don't.
I
I don't even like the car itself. Let alone the inside.
I mean, it's
Nah, God, you should check that Lamborghini short on it. Bro, why are you indicating to go in the other lane if you just switch lanes? Are you a silly nana?
Sing!
So, Kira's in bed.
Thank you.
Oh, this car's so slow. Oh! $141 miles per hour. I mean, we still got a lot more cars. I mean, the McLaren Senna next. Finally, this goes 789 miles per hour within 700 horsepower. Oh,
Horsey?
horsepower.
A real life horsey?
Yes, a real life horsey. Stay tuned because it's going to be the next video. Oh, did you see that fire that came out?
Do that again.
Peace.